Hi, welcome back to Tang News, your source for the latest updates from the Open Network. Today, we're announcing the winners of the Open Hack and covering the exciting launch of FDUSD on the Tang blockchain. Let's get started. The Open Hack. Winners announced. What an incredible journey. The Open Hack was a massive success with 70 plus submissions competing for $8,000 in prizes. After careful review, it's time to announce the 10 winners. Beauty Tang, $2,000. Telegram native beauty services and mini app creation. T-Pose, $1,500. Incentivize Web3 polls. Swift Gift, $1,000. First Telegram gifts aggregator. 4th to 10th place, $500 each. Insane nights and days. Smart Exchange. The Open Market. Tong Jest, Paid Live, NFTG Zonex, Channel Sense. Winner perks. All winners gain fast track Tong support plus Tong Nest and Rose session invites. Top 3 also get exclusive mentorship from Tong Foundation. Got an idea? Join the Builder movement at the Tong Builders portal. Plus, massive thanks to the partners who made the event possible. FDUSD. Now live on Tong blockchain. First Digital Group has officially launched native FDUSD on the Open Network, bringing stable digital payments to Telegram's 1 billion plus user ecosystem. Why it matters? FDUSD expands to Tong, enabling low-cost, high-performance stablecoin transactions, boosts liquidity and accessibility across Tong's growing DeFi ecosystem. Available now on all Tong wallets and Tongco for reliable transfers. Institutional minting available directly via First Digital Labs. Vincent Chalk, CEO and founder of First Digital, put it best by saying, "This alignment meets the demands of modern users and drives the adoption of stablecoins as a practical, scalable solution for global payments." That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.